For independent insurance agencies, frequent customer requests, account maintenance, and billing questions can be time-consuming and often happen after hours. Outsourcing some level of servicing to insurance company service centers can provide significant value. CSRs can spend 3 to 4 hours a day answering billing questions, small claims inquiries, and other items. Outsourcing even a portion of these tasks frees staff to focus on remarketing, quoting, and other income-generating activities. Many clients want to conduct simple tasks without having to connect with their agents. These do-it-yourselfers expect to be able to conduct business 24/7 while still respecting the value of the independent agent's choice of carriers and insurance knowledge. Not every client should be pushed into a service center. Keep those who send a lot of referrals close and your VIP clients closer. You may also decide to keep certain activities in agency, such as questions about coverage content or cancellations. A good service center will work with you to create an efficient and personalized experience for your clients. And they keep records of your clients' contacts to help identify opportunities and promptly address any questions. With improvements to service, better retention rates, and client satisfaction, the use of service centers continues to increase. If you're on the fence, maybe now is the time to try service centers, freeing you to focus on building your business and generating income.